Patrice and Bonnie again here. We're with Scrapbook with Tea, and we just want to show you a little bit of 49 and Market. Some of our favorites of this product is that they have these laser cut chipboard, and it's absolutely fabulous product to work with. It just adds dimension. You can color it, you can ink it. It just puts that little bit of accent to your pages, and you can just see right here how beautiful it is on these layouts. This is one of our 2-page layouts. Bonnie, this collection is?
This one is called the Happy Moments. So in each kit you would receive the paper, the laser cuts, and the package of flowers.
Speaking of flowers, we just wanted to show you that with 49 and Market, they have a great arrangement of flowers. We use the 49 and Market flowers on a lot of our pages that we have created. Not just with 49 and Market, but we also use it with all the other companies that we deal with because it's a great product to work with. The colors are just absolutely amazing, fabulous, fantastic. I can't say enough about them. The product is just great. You get an assortment in a package. You know, you can use 1 layout, 3 layouts, 5 layouts with the amount of product that they give you in the package. We also have the babbles, the wishing babbles that go on and give you a little bit different detail. We've done that in a couple of our layouts as well. You can see here that there's different styles of flowers, from blooms to garden petals to huckleberries. Here we are with the 49 and Market's Vintage Artistry collection in the Sage. This is one of the most efficient ways to get some layouts out of a collection pack, all 5. So we have 2 double layouts and a single layout out of 1 collection pack, and that's absolutely amazing. The other thing that I really truly love about the way that they have done their collections is that on the front page, you've kind of got your Sage, like you've got your layout, what you get, and then on the back side, it's just a very neutral paper that you could use on anything, and it's very, very nice, very lovely. I like it when these collection or these companies are using the back side so that you're not just throwing away that front sheet. Okay, we're going to just show you a sequence of several of the different layouts that we've gotten from these collections. This particular one is butter, and again, I just want to point out how versatile that everything in these collections all go together. And to get this amount of product and get a kit this size is just spectacular. Like, it truly, truly is. This is a very vintage style. I can't say much more because they're beautiful. And we have a lot of collections from the 49 and Markets to show you. And so here we go.
Alright, this is the Bold and Beautiful layout kit that we are offering. It's a 6-page layout kit with the flowers.
Awesome. So we're just going to show you a little bit of the samples, what they look like. And as you can see with the detail, it is just spectacular. Like just the cutout pieces, the flowers that are accented in, the layering of the paper. It is just beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. And when you put your memories into these pages, they just make them look spectacular. Like, I can't say enough how great this paper is. It's a wonderful quality, and it just pops and looks great. And you do know that when you do get your kits, it's not just where, like, in a lot of our pages we put one picture. You know that you can adjust this, you can change this up, you could put 2 in, and then add your accents and your pieces down below. You don't necessarily have to leave it in the manner that we've done, but we're just giving you a great start to make a fantastic layout.
This is the Tattered Playground layout kit. It's a double layout kit. Comes with a package of flowers, and it also comes with these lovely layered embellishments.
And as you can see in the layout, they've been added in. Just look at how elegant. It gives that little bit of pop. For those that like the bling or add on the bling, this has a little bit of a shine to it, a little sheen. It's just very, very elegant, very rich. I really see on these pictures, say it's your mom and dad and their anniversary pictures, something just a little bit grand. Like this is a grand layout. It's stunning, absolutely stunning. It just shows the elegance of the paper and how it works with the elements. Here we are with Serendipitous Misty Breeze. We just want to kind of explain a little bit of how we do and how we create our layouts. We just want to say that the little tab that you get along the bottom of the page, when you cut that tab off, what we are doing is we've taken those tabs and we've cut in little butterflies that you can accent your page with. We've cut off the captured memories off of it. Just to add it into your page. So when you take those tabs off, you want to make sure you take a look at them, see what you could use from them. If not, even still keep them, put them aside with your scraps so that you can use them at a later time. The other thing that we've done on these particular layouts is we've added in a little bit of blue, and so we've added in some stamping. So you can stamp onto your layouts and add just a little bit of accent to your pages. So you can see here where we've accented a stamp in here. We've then carried it on up into the top corner of the picture. We've added into the bottom end of this picture, and we brought it into the top end of the picture so that everything would flow together as it was 3 pictures meant to be together. The other thing that we want to bring to your attention is that lots of times you can accent some ink for detail. You can add that little bit of ink just to blend everything together to make it pop out, just to give that little bit of wow factor. In a lot of vintage style, older accenting pages, we use a lot of brown ink in that end. In this particular end, we decided to use some purple, and you can just see how it kind of accents into the purple that are on these layouts and onto the color palette that they've used in the layouts. Purple's not really a big, strong color in our industry, and I think they've really done a great job bringing it in. So when we've done these layouts, we've added a little bit of blue flowers into it. These are just a little bit different of a blue flower, but they've taken the blue, we've taken the blue flower. Now we've added that purple ink in a little bit, and it just gives it that little pop factor. We've also gone as far as taking the leaves, which are green, and we've added in the purple, accenting onto those as well. It just kind of makes it all flow and blend together. We've added in our ink onto our little detail. It just gives it that little bit of pop factor and brings it all together so that everything flows in.
This is the new Remnants mini paper collection from 49 in Market. They just released it. I'm going to be doing a 5-page layout kit with this package. It includes 4 double-sided papers, and also the cover is one of the pages as well. And these are the 2 laser cut element sheets that come with the package. And I will also be using a package of the 49 in Market Seaside blooms that come in the color cotton. I am starting off with punching out all the little laser elements. You got to be a little careful, you don't want to rip them. So we're going to start off with that, and we'll get them all done up, and then we will start. So we have all our elements punched out, and we're going to start with I went ahead and I cut off the 1/2-inch strip off of the 12 by 12 papers. Now these 1/2-inch strips I often use in my layout kits, so just hang on to them. And then I'm going to start with inking the edges with the Vintage Photo ink. And I wanted a little bit deeper ink smudge on the paper, so I'm going in with rolling it in like this. Now these papers have a lot of browns and purple and a little bit of navy in it, so I'll probably use brown and purple cardstock as my mats for my photos. Here is the 49 in Market Remnants collection. This kit will be available at scrapandwitht.ca. Hope you enjoyed.
And we just want to give you a little bit about our collections with 49 in Market. Are fabulous, absolutely fabulous. This is collections, and I hate saying we just want to give you a little bit about the graph. That's it. I'm firing myself. That's it. I'm fired. I am fired.
Thank you for being a friend. Travel down the road and back again. Your heart is true.